Hey guys, so you're probably wondering, why am I up here? Well, I got to the trampoline and I literally bounced over here and then bounced again and got here. So don't ask. Okay, fine. We already. Wait, what? I messed the video. I didn't. I don't know. Alright. I don't know if I changed the skin or I did change the skin. It's black. Not really the skin I wanted, but hello world. Oh, I had to breathe. I still have multiple. Okay, let's get. Oh, wait, we're doing. So today in this video, we're gonna be doing. I don't know. Basically, I was thinking of doing like Little Bird versus Little Bird versus. I was thinking maybe we should do like a battle between the Little Bird and Cargo. Actually, you know what? Hold up. Let's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got a great idea. Let's do the Little Bird versus Cop. I wanna yell. I don't wanna yell in the chat. Wait. Is there. The Cop shouldn't go full try mode. There's no way. Let's see if we can find anything in the prison. We literally have no guns. Wait, that cop. Wait, that cop. It has to be a cop, right? That is. Wait, there's a cop here. Wait, is he literally? He's literally in the. Is he literally? Oh, he's literally flying away. Wait, what? Did he pass me? My hands are a little. Where'd he go? Oh, okay. Let's buy some rockets really quick. Buy some rockets. 5,000 cash. Who cares? All right. I think it was B. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Something's like, wait, oh, don't you dare, don't you dare. Did he went in here? He went in here. Wow. Oh, he's really. Hey, buddy, you gonna arrest me or not? Gonna arrest me? Hey, Andy. Andy, gonna arrest me? Andy, how much cash do you have? Oh, he's literally a premium. Hey, you gonna arrest me, buddy, or not? You gonna arrest me? He's literally scared. I literally have nothing. He's actually scared. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I literally have no weapons. What is he doing? Oh, he's not going to the gun store? Alright, buddy. You have to run. Look, buddy, you wanna. Bomb. Oh, I'm hitting myself. He's like, what's going on? He's driving away. Come on. Go. Dang it, I loaded too early. Come on. Dang, he's actually really terrible. Oh, can I just click here on the bottom? Oh, I'm not even here. Crap. Well, it's my rough times. I literally lost him. Wow. Oh, he's literally trying to juke me, buddy. Oh, it's gonna be hard doing this. I am really sorry. But he's trying to back. He's trying to hide. You know, I'm blocking. Wait, oh, he's getting some guns. Boom. Oh my gosh, come on, kill. Guess we got him. Boom, shakalaka. Little Bird versus Cops. Boom, shakalaka. Come on, guys. Somebody call the doctor. Alright, is he spawned over here? I basically should instant kill these. Okay. How's his buddy? No, let's save his life. Let's save his life. Wait. Is anybody in here? Oh, it's stuck. Hey, anybody want to ride? I don't think there's any cops in the prison. Oh, is that one? Or he probably. Wait, I'll see you. I'll see. What the heck's pulling me down? Buddy, come on. Buddy, I'll help you. Buddy, I'll help you. Get in the rope. We go. Oh, shoot. Oh, I think Dice Man. He literally. Are you okay, buddy? Why'd you go in the rope? Okay. He's literally looking. Wait, I saw a cop. Wait, was that a cop right there? Wait. I think most of them are in the. Wait a minute, is that okay? That's a criminal. Okay, you literally don't want to. Oh. You know what? Let's pick this person's car just because he's asleep. Oh my gosh! Hey, buddy, have you missed your car? You missed your car. Oh, too bad. I'm literally gonna drop it on him. Oh. No, let's put it on the building. See what happens. He's gonna have a rough time. Bam. Alright, that's not, okay, so this is not what the video is about. I am very sorry. We're looking for capos. Honestly, guys, hold up. Oh my gosh, someone's using rocket fuel. Wait, is that, oh wait, who is that? What's his name? I can't see, going too fast. Who is this guy? Come on. Okay, Roaster is like pretty fast. Okay, yeah, that's it. Little Bird might be the fastest vehicle in the game, maybe. Wait, you just... Oh, yep, I should've known he... Okay. What's your name? I can't... Wait, what's your name? Parfum? Oh, Extended. I didn't know. Should I rock... Whatever. Hey, don't you... Oh, did I literally boost on this kid's head? Alright, then, okay. You know what, let's get 500. That's all I have time for. Let's mute this. Oh! Did I literally boost on my guy's head? I'm so sorry. What's your name? Wait, what's your name, buddy? Sorry. It actually name's like different. Oh, Extended, you're about to die. Different. It makes sense because people will keep filling spaces, buddy. Don't you dare kill him. He's the guy who spit on the roaster. He literally has a face on his shirt, I think. Yeah, he's like a mouth on his shirt. He will bite you, buddy, okay? I am low. I'm typing careful. I can't even type right now. Careful. Oh, I hear someone just spamming L's. Wait, is there more cops now? Oh, it's still the exact same. Oh shoot, what am I doing? Okay, if I want to boost on your head. Ooh! Ah! Oh gosh. Wait, come back. I'm sorry, why? I literally, I'll be on the roof for you. What? I didn't miss it. Oh, it's okay. Dang, time's going fast. I'm like, play ball. Ow! Oh, I didn't get damage. If someone stole my helicopter, you will literally get the death. Okay, good. Hey, buddy, a volt bike. Oh, okay. Oh, someone has the. Nice, buddy. Did you die? Oh, he died. It was. He spawned here, right? Is it him? I hate my life. Okay, there you go. Is that him? Where'd he go? Extended. Come on. Let's bomb some cops. Let's bomb some cops. Okay, buddy? You don't have time. Live stream. Oh, wait, you live? You live? I am not. Nice, buddy. Nice. Well, guess what? I'm wreck. I'm wreck. I'm recording. So you would be on YouTube, buddy. As I squish you. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, wanna get in the car or not? Get in the car. Okay, my. Okay, you know what? That's it. You're getting in the car. We don't have time for this full video. Get in the car. Oh, there you go. He's fine. He is so fine. Oh, where'd you go? There's no way he died. Okay. I'm sorry. This whole video is about robbing stuff. I'm sorry about that. Is not this video's about. Can you go live? I can't go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. No, I'm actually not. I'm not kidding. You guys better give me that 1,000 subs. I know my videos, I sound like every other YouTuber. Well, not really. Like, because I literally this is just the beginning. Okay, guys. So don't. Oh, cops! You want me to bomb you? I'm gonna bomb you. Bomb. Wait, I can't bomb. Oh, I bombed him. Oh shoot, he's trying to shoot me. Oh yeah, shoot me down. Oh no. I need rockets. I seriously need rockets. No, bro. Hey, you're dead. Hey, buddy. Hey. I'm right here. You wanna come arrest me? Buy more. Boom. AFK. Too bad, buddy. Hey, you're dead. Take that, gaming with. What's your name? Gaming night. Okay, gaming night. Wait. Okay. Okay. Well, guys, I'm better off just insecure. You know what? Oh, he's AFK. Didi, where are you? Okay, is a cop? Is that a YouTuber? I literally know a YouTuber named Didi in Roblox. Wait, is that a cop too? Wait, that's is that a cop? I see a bit of blue. Oh, is that? Wait, oh, it is a cop. Wow, you did the nuke thing. I need to be level 50. I said 50? Yeah, 50. Come on. Wait, I'm stupid. He has the new. I mean, guys, think about it. What's. Say I have this skin. Here, where is it? Load this one. I have this skin, and this skin. So I literally have all these skins. The license plate will be the same thing. It's just color. So this one will be the cop team. This one will be the criminal team, and this one will be the okay. This one's the cop team. This one's the criminal team, and this one is the prisoner team. I mean, you should probably add heroes. Well, you know what? Never mind. Okay, this game will be the definition. It will be the prisoner one. I don't know why. I think I should do it like each day of it because these skins are pretty cool. Wait, okay? I'm sorry we're not doing any bombing cops. Wait, is that a cop right there? Wait, this cop. You're murdering. That's it. Oh, with that kill, you're gonna get. I literally killed both of them. Oh my god. They let you kill prisoners? I totally forgot about that. I thought they patched that. Cause I thought they patched it. But they did. Wow. Alright, I got right here. Hey buddy. What's going on? So hey, I wanna show you some cool. Hey, you can't. No, it's not the part of the rules, okay? Hey, let me get. Oh. Now get down. Now get down. Yeah, go. Yeah. Run away, party. Buddy, kid, you trying to bomb me? You know what? You really think you can shoot me down? Buddy, he's actually really scared. Why are you coming fight me like a man? No, I'm typing L's. Wait, that makes no sense. Buddy, come on. Are you scared? You know what? Boom. I almost got. Bro, oh yeah, lure him. Yeah, lure over there. He's gonna die. Watch him. He's gonna die. Okay, I seriously need a gun to shoot him down. You know what? That's we're getting guns for this. Actually, I better off just landing. Wait, there's a cop right here. Is that a Tron bug I just saw? Oh no! Boom! Oh no, he's gonna get me now. What the heck? These cops are literally scared. Wait a minute, is that one right there? Wait, he's AFK. Never mind, he's not. Yeah, that's a cop right there. That's definitely a cop. There's no way. He's a cop, right? He's a cop. Okay, buddy, I'm helping you. Even though I'm killing you, I'm sorry. Just get out of the way. Get out of the way. Come on. He's almost dead. Oh, he died. Get dunked, man. Well, guys, I think wrap it up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, guys. Subscribe if you are new, okay? Watch previous videos. Wait, let's bomb this guy really quick. Where'd he go? Oh, I think that's the king. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.